Hello 12th class. So this is your subject Computer Science chapter 11. In this class we will discuss the solutions of solution of your test 1. Now the question number 1 is full form of ARPANET. So the answer is Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. Now question number 2, what is cloud? So it is a computing model that stores the data at a remote location and we need the internet to access this data. It is of only 1 mark, so you have to write accordingly. What is IoT? So IoT is the Internet of Things. It is a network of devices that can connect wirelessly to a network and has the ability to transmit the data. Now question number 4, you have some option, you have to give the answer that which is the fastest in wired and in wireless. So in wired it is optical fiber and in wireless infrared. Now question number 5, identify the devices. So here is the question, an intelligent device that connects several nodes to form a network and redirect the received information only to intended nodes. So the answer is switch. Second is a device that regenerates the received signal and retransmits it to its destination. This is repeaters. Question number 6. Write one advantage and one disadvantage of using optical fiber cable. So it is of 2 marks. Advantage is it is a most efficient guided transmission media, and disadvantage is it is the most expensive guided transmission media. Question number 7. A school with 20 standalone computer is considering to network them together and adding a server. State 2 advantages of doing this. So here I have just written the advantage, you have to explain it. That is resource sharing and reliability. Now question number 8, distinguish between LAN and WAN. You know what is LAN and what is WAN. Here I have just written that what is LAN and WAN. You have to write the answer according to 3 marks. Okay, you have to write at least three points in LAN and WAN. So the LAN are the small computer network that are confined to localized area. It is known as LAN. And WAN, that is a network spread across countries, are known as a wide area network. It is a group of servers that are separated by large distance and tied together. Now question number 9, what are the advantages of the networking? Here again I have just written the advantage. You have to explain it by yourself. These are very simple, you know what are the advantages. Now question number 10, this is true and false. So Google Drive is a free public cloud. Yes, it is true. Infrared is used to transfer the data wirelessly on short distances. Yes, it is also true. Now switch is a device that is used to connect different types of network. No, it is false. Okay, so these are the total 10 questions are there. We have discussed the solution. So you have to make correction in your test that which question is wrong. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.